So India is aggressively entering into the semiconductor business, and semiconductor stocks are in full demand. Okay, and if you have been following this channel for quite some time, you must be knowing that I have made multiple videos on potentially good semiconductor stocks, and you know how they have performed. Okay, and today we are going to discuss on another stock which probably I didn't make any video on this stock earlier, but today we are going to discuss about this stock. What is the name of the stock? It is CG Power. So we are going to do a complete analysis of this stock. And if you have been following my other channel, Trendline Talks, yesterday in the evening I discussed the article which showed that this stock has gone up by 12% in the last 3 trading sessions. Okay, let's discuss the fundamentals and we'll get one complete overview of the stock, and I will also share the link to the video that I released yesterday in my other channel so that you can watch that as well. You will get some more info on this topic, right? So let's get started, but before that I just want you to remind that this is not at all a stock recommendation video. This is just an educational video to help you make better investment and trading decisions. With that said, let me take you to the screen. Alright, hello everyone, and this is CG Power, and this is the article that I was talking about. I discussed the summary of this article in my other video. I'll share that link, please go and check. Let's go to the fundamentals today. Okay, and we are going to get something very important from this video. Okay, so we can see that CG Power is already a large cap company. Okay, the market cap is above 1 lakh. Current price 742, reserves it has is 3538, and very small debt of 40 crores only, which is fantastic. Debt to equity ratio is excellent. 3 years average sales, profit and earning per share growth is also looking good. Okay, return on asset and return on capital employed is also looking good. Interest coverage ratio is good. Current ratio is above 1.5, this is also good. And promoter holding is above 50%, this is also good. And a healthy Altman Z score. So these basic numbers are looking very good to me. Now let's check the 3 years profit loss. Okay, so if we check last 4 years, okay, including the trailing 12 months, we see that there has been healthy rise in sales, 6,973 crores to 8,046 crores, then 9,900 crores, 10,660 crores almost. Okay, then operating profit 1,005, 1142, 1,319, 1,354. Very healthy rise in operating profit as well. Now if you go to the shareholding pattern, then we can see that in the last 3 quarters we can see promoter holding has not gone down much in March and June, but in the last quarter, July quarter, okay, July month, it has gone down by almost 1.6%. Okay, but at the same time we are getting to see the DIs have increased their stake also, 13.58 to 14.22, then 16.33. So here we are getting to see 2% increase in stake. Okay, and that is why the holding by the public has gone down to 14%, which is again another good thing. So definitely the DIs are very interested in this stock. They believe in the future, that's why they are putting money. And here you can see some of the popular DIs that are invested in this stock. Okay, I am pretty sure you must be acquainted with some of the names. Let's check the FI list if we have any. Okay, these are the FIs list. Okay, now let's go to the price action and see, and I also discussed the price action in my other video yesterday evening. If you have not watched that, then definitely this is going to help you. So this is CG Power in daily time frame, and if I go to the weekly, I can clearly see that the stock is actually forming a base here and it is starting to go up. Okay, this is the base and it is starting to go up. Now the first thing that I am going to do is use the fib retracement. So I will use the fib retracement here like this. Okay, and what do I see? That the stock has actually broken the 50% level here, retracement level. You can see this is the 15% level, 696, so almost 700 you can say, that has been broken. But is it enough to confirm the uptrend? No, because we have to wait for the stock to at least make this as the support and then go up. Once we get a bounce above this, then it will be the additional confirmation and a better confirmation in general. Okay, and in weekly time frame, if I enable the 50 weeks moving average, you can see that the stock is getting support of the 50 weeks, that is 250 days moving average here, and it is starting to go up. So I expect the stock to actually give a retracement to this level, at least 710 level. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to put one blue line here to mark the 50% level and remove the fifth retracement so that the chart remains clean. Okay, this is the line. We can remove this one, and now let's go to the daily time frame, and here we can see that here we can clearly see that the 50% the 50% retracement is here, but the stock has actually never used the 50 EMA as its support. You can see all these 3 times the stock has actually breached the 50 EMA. Breached means the closing has been below the 50 EMA. Okay, so we also need a confirmation from the moving average. So I expect the stock to come down somewhere around this level. Okay, and definitely it should use the 50 EMA for another bounce. And when we can confirm that, when the candle will not close below the 50 EMA, the high low might go down or stay above it, but the closing should always be above the 50 EMA. That will be the clear confirmation that the stock is heading in the upward direction from this level, and that will be the indication that yes, this could be the turning point for the stock and it could continue going up. Okay, and that will be the ideal level for your entry. So I would say keep this stock in your watch list. Okay, when I go to the daily time frame, I can see that today it has started showing a red candle. In the last 3 trading sessions, you can see 3 green candles, which is what mentioned in this article. Okay, 12% in 3 sessions. So do not include today's session. It is about these 3 candles. Okay, so it could definitely retrace to this 720 level or maybe the 700 level. Okay, if it comes to 700 level and shows strength and you capture it at that level, it will be an excellent entry, I would say. So for now, keep this stock in your watch list. Do as much as analysis and research on this stock. Dig deeper, find out whatever you can, so that you can get conviction if you should invest in this stock or not, and then only make an entry. Okay, so that was all about CG Power. I hope this video was useful and informative. If it was, please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse if you have not done already. And if you are already a subscriber and finding my videos valuable, consider joining the Financial Impulse community, where you will get more stock analysis posts, and also you will be able to chat with me directly one-to-one on Discord and ask your queries. Thank you for watching. Bye, take care.